Turn to our reporter Ken Lemon. He is in the Wrightsville Beach area. Ken, I understand you've been seeing some flooding issues down there.
Yeah, we've seen some flooding in Erica right now. The rain just started to pick up with on and off conditions out here. With all this rain has caused a lot of problems for drivers. Take a look at this video that we got earlier today. New Center Drive, we saw several drivers, driver after driver, going into this flooded water here. We watched one person actually get part of the way into that water and then get stuck, have to push his car right back out there. Several roads around are flooded, but this is why you shouldn't drive into this. This is I-40, a picture tweeted by DOT just north of Wilmington, a road undermined there. One driver that I talked to told me that he tried his best to finish work early today so he can get out and avoid all the hazards.
It's time to leave. The sky's ominous, it's threatening. Looking for a little break in the action so I can get home and be with my family.
And when you talk about water here, you're also talking about storm surge. A lot of people concerned about the fact that high tide's going to be later tonight. Dorian will come later tonight. What that's going to do to some of those areas that sit right near areas like this with lots of bodies of water around here. Later on tonight, we'll talk about the wind. I clocked wind at 46 miles per hour just standing out here. Erica will be back with more information for you, or Scott will be back with more information for you about what's happening here in this area.
All right, yeah, the tides are all important when it comes to that surge. Thank you, Ken.